Hey, this is Chris from the Lake Dealerships bringing you a walk around video of the two trucks you were checking out. I got them both here. I'm going to start with a walk around of the Chevy, then I'll follow up on the Ford. I'm going to do my best to give you a good overview of both vehicles. Try to help you narrow down which one you're more interested in. That way we can figure out the next steps for you. Minor scuff there on the tailgate. Exterior's, pretty clean overall. No dents, dings, or anything major that I'm finding on here. Oh, couple little dings on the door there. You can kind of see there. There's one. You can see them right on the lip of that. 1, 2, 3. Fourth one there. So run that door up against something lightly. Little one up by the handle. Interior for you. Clean overall here. This is the automatic tailgate button. It's a nice feature. Just under 10,000 miles on it. Vinyl floors on us. Get you looking undercarriage and engine bay. That's the Chevy for you. Got the Super Duty here. Obviously a bit of a different beast. Looks like we had an encounter with probably a parking divider on that. We've got the work bed on there. I don't know what you want to call it, tool bed. It's got the boxes. Got the heavy duty tailgate. Got the storage rack up top. And this is bringing a lot of different features that other one doesn't have. Also vinyl floors in this one. About 58,000 miles on it. Got the crew cab. Interior in very nice shape. bodies and equipment. Byers is the brand of the toolboxes. I don't know if that's something you want to look into. Give you a peek. Undercarriage. Nice and clean. I couldn't find any dings, dents on the body of this one. No, looks clean. So yeah, just that's the only thing I really noticed on this one. Tiny scuff on the bumper. Both very clean overall. Appreciate your interest and hope this helps you with your decision making. Get this over to you and keep it moving. Thank you.